Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to record a vendor credit in QuickBooks. Now, a vendor credit records when a supplier issues you a refund, discount, or return for goods or services. Let's get into it. The first step is to open the vendor credit form. So on your QuickBooks dashboard, click plus new vendor credits. Now you're going to fill in the vendor credit details. So select the vendor from the drop down and enter the credit date. Fill in the category or item details depending on whether the credit is for service, expenses, or for products. Enter the amount of the credit. Next is to save the credit. So click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New for a new entry. A pro tip is to apply vendor credits to future bills to reduce payment amounts and also to keep vendor issued credit memos for audit records. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.